Good day, everybody. Welcome once again to Flicker Brain. Now, if you're a first timer on this channel, that is this your first time of coming across this page, and you're interested in everything AdSense, be it websites or YouTube, I share some tips on how to grow your YouTube account on this page, everything related to YouTube automation, and also share the strategy on how to load your AdSense account smoothly. On today's video, I'm going to be talking about the last video I made on this channel, which was this video here, where I showed you guys the account. So I'm going to be giving you guys the update on that account and what you have done so far and what was received on that account this 21st. Let me log into the dashboard so we can see what we have done so far. Okay, so I'll quickly sign in and I'll fill in the email. Okay, so on the dashboard, you can see this is my live AdSense dashboard on the screen, and you can see what we have done so far on this particular account. Now, you notice you can see from the last payment, you see that we received payment on this account this 21st of this month, around $31,000. If you have watched that previous video I was talking about proxy, you see that on the balance it was around $33,000 on the account, but we really had some little deductions, so we are left with $31,000. Let me reload this so I'll check if there's any update so far on the page. Okay, all right, that's by the way. So now over from the performance, you can tell that this whole process is a fully automated process and it's a very detailed work. You can tell how the traffic is coming in, you can see the amount of clicks that's been generated, and you can see the CPC, which, because we make use of quality cookies, that's why the CPC is very effective. Now on this channel, I teach every effective method that's currently working. If you're interested in learning how I do this, on the description box below, you're going to see my contact info there. You can reach out to me. And if this is your first time on this channel, click on subscription and subscribe to this channel so that whenever I drop a video, you're always going to get notified. Okay, so I'm going to also show you guys the payment. We received the payment of this account. I'll show you the payment page and everything. And this account is an old account. This account has a lot of payments in the past, and there's organic traffic coming in on this account every day. Organic traffic of 2,000 to 3,000 from different days. So it's a healthy account. This account is roughly 7 or 8 years of working on this particular account. Okay, so let's see. Let this be done loading, and you see what we have done so far, what was received. At this account, I've received multiple payments from both ADX and AdSense too. Okay, so you can see over here $31,000 that was received, and you can even see over here, even in the previous month, we actually received money with this account. We receive money with the account consistently. So guys, click on the description box below for more inquiries.